Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be cleaning out my car. So this is the back of our Expedition and we are getting ready to go on vacation. So I'm going to be filming me cleaning out the back of the car, and then I'm also going to be filming when we get back from vacation me cleaning out the car, because I like to clean the car out before we go so that way we don't have extra stuff in the car that we don't need, and the car is just cleaned for when we are traveling to wherever we're going. And then obviously when we get back, we have 3 little kids, and the car is always a disaster. So mainly the back of the car just needs to be cleaned before we went on our vacation. So the first thing that I do is I take everything out of the car. That way I can vacuum it out and see what we have back there. I found a little surprise of a bunch of melted crayons all over the back of the car, which I had no idea were back here. And so I'm going to need to take in the car to be detailed because I couldn't get all of that wax out of the carpet. But I'm just doing the best that I can. So just picking up all of the crayons and then using our Dyson handheld to vacuum up dirt and dog hair. You can see here that I'm going to start using my hands to collect it, because whatever the rug is or the carpet is in this car, it is very hard to get the dog hair out. Look at all that dog hair that I can just move out with my hands. It's disgusting. So basically I am just vacuuming everything out. We go to the beach a lot, so there's lots of sand and dirt and soccer fields and stuff like that. So just giving it a good vacuum before putting everything neatly back into the car.
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.
So that is pretty much it for the back of the car. Now we have plenty of room to put like our suitcases and all of our stuff for vacation. And now we are back from vacation, and this is what the car looks like. There are papers and trash everywhere. We use the sides of the doors on all 4 doors for our trash cans, well, pretty much any time, but especially when we're on vacations. And then we went somewhere where there's a beach. So look at this sand and dirt. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing and so disgusting. And we are going to clean all this out, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually take the car seats out of the car. I don't do this every single time I clean the car, but they really needed a good clean because the kids were in and out of their car seats with like sand and their wet bathing suits and everything. So I'm taking out Piper's chair and Jackson's chair, and Jane's chair is actually brand new, so I just wiped her chair down a little bit. And then I take a grocery bag and I just take everything out as far as trash goes and put it in the grocery bag. And I also keep the grocery bag for when I use the Clorox wipes to wipe down the car as well. So I am just going to clean the car while the car seats are in the washing machine. But I'm also going to show you guys what the car seats look like when I take the covers off, because I hope I'm not the only one, but there is so much disgusting stuff in these car seats that you don't see until you take the car seat covers off. Okay, here you go, guys. I just dumped out both of the car seats, and this is all the nastiness that came out by just dumping it out. But wait, there's more. So basically what I do, oh my gosh, look at that. That is disgusting. I'm sorry you have to see that, but we are going to clean it all up, and I'm taking you guys along with me. So first, I just use Clorox wipes and try to get most of it out. A lot of these car seats just have cracks and crevices that you really can't even get into, so you see that I actually use a knife as well to try to clean all of it out. But I wipe it down first, and then I get our vacuum and I vacuum them out as well, and just try to get them as clean as possible. So while the car seat covers are being washed, I go ahead and I start at the front of the car and I just wipe everything down with the Clorox wipes. The kids have like sticky fingers and people's feet are on the dash, and you know, just everything that needs to be wiped down. The steering wheel, the radio, everything just needs to be wiped down. The cup holders. So that's what I'm doing now, and I wipe the whole entire car and just get it all nice and clean. I also wash the outside and inside of all of the windows with some glass cleaner. As you guys know, kids put their hands all over the windows, and so especially after a long drive, the windows can be very, very dirty. Then last but not least, I vacuum out the mats and I vacuum the chairs. I can take the mats out, and I do take the mats out sometimes and actually wash them like with the hose and some soap. But this time, basically because it was just sand, I just vacuumed it out without taking them out. we had gotten back from a vacation about 3 days prior to me cleaning out the car. So we had already taken out all of our bags and our luggage, but we still had a lot of the stuff like the stroller and the cooler that you just saw me pull out, and some of the beach toys and our beach umbrella still in the car that needed to come out. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm taking everything out, putting them where they go in the garage, and then just giving the back another good vacuum because mainly sand was everywhere. River does sit in the back, but he did not come with us this time, so there wasn't much dog hair left to vacuum up from when I vacuumed earlier. So here is the cleaned car. It's not the best. Whenever I take it to get detailed, that's when it looks the best. But it looks pretty good to me compared to the before that you guys saw. And it smells good. That's the key here. And then once the car seat covers are all cleaned and dried, I just put those back on and put the car seats back in the car.
Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place. Do you wanna follow? There's something in the air. I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more. It shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you
And that is it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this before and after car clean. I have to do this probably every single time we go out of town for sure, and then probably once every month or once every 2 months, because with 3 little kids, the car gets pretty nasty. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.